Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Sushiswap is a decentralized trade based on Ethereum that permits clients to exchange ETH and ERC20 tokens. It was made by an unknown engineer known as culinary specialist Nomi. The undertaking started as a fork of the famous Uniswap convention. Sushiswap utilizes a liquidity pool model in which clients can store tokens to procure exchanging expenses. It likewise boosts clients to give liquidity by giving them compensations as Sushi tokens. These tokens can be utilized to decide on administration choices or consumed for a portion of the stage's exchanging expenses. The Sushiswap group has been censured for its absence of straightforwardness, as well as claims of insider exchanging and misappropriation. Be that as it may, the undertaking has kept on filling in prominence and stays one of the top DESs on Ethereum today. What is Sushiswap? Sushiswap is a decentralized exchange, DEX, on the Ethereum blockchain that permits clients to exchange ERC20 tokens. It was made in September 2020 by a mysterious engineer known as culinary specialist Nomi, and later gained by FTX Exchange. The vital component of Sushiswap is its utilization of the automated market maker, AMM, model, which permits it to give liquidity to its clients without the requirement for request books. This makes it a lot easier to use than conventional DEXs, which can require complex exchange orders and can be challenging to explore. Sushiswap likewise offers a remarkable motivator structure for liquidity providers, LPs, who can procure Sushis, the local badge of the stage, in return for giving liquidity. This gives a continuous income stream to LPs and assists with keeping the stage moving along as planned. Sushiswap, Sushi, fundamental analysis. The Sushiswap convention utilizes a variation of the Dutch sale system to decide the cost of every token exchanged. Sushiswap is based on the Ethereum blockchain and uses similar security instruments as other shrewd agreements sent on Ethereum. Security. Notwithstanding its prevalence, there are a few worries about the security of Sushiswap. These worries originate from the way that Sushiswap is a moderately new venture and has not gone through as much examining and testing as a few different undertakings in the space. Moreover, there have been a few occurrences of bugs and weaknesses being found in Sushiswap's savvy contract code. While these worries are substantial, it is critical to take note of that Sushiswap has done whatever it may take to work on the security of their foundation. For instance, they have executed a bug abundance program to boost specialists to report any issues they find. Moreover, they have recruited a few trustworthy evaluating firms to survey their code. As Sushiswap keeps on developing, almost certainly, these security concerns will be alleviated. Sushiswap, Sushi, current price. Sushiswap is presently worth $1.18. Sushi has moved -4.55% as of now with an exchanging volume of $43,349,393. Sushiswap is presently positioned 158 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $147,620,927. Sushiswap, Sushi, coin price prediction. If you are searching for a computerized resource with the possibility to produce a major benefit sooner rather than later, then, at that point, you ought to think about Sushiswap, Sushi. This task has previously acquired prevalence in the digital money local area and is turning out to be increasingly more popular. In this part, we will attempt to examine all the significant data which could influence the Sushiswap cost forecast. The token has seen a ton of development in the beyond couple of months. With the force that the token has developed, it is normal to keep filling in worth and arrive at new all-time high sooner rather than later. Another element that is driving the development of Sushiswap, Sushi, is the rising reception of its local token by significant trades and wallets. Binance declared that it would list Sushi on its foundation, which is a gigantic demonstration of positive support in the task. This posting won't just make it simpler for clients to trade Sushi, yet additionally increment its openness to a more extensive crowd. Various sources guarantee that the mainnet send-off of Ethereum 2.0 could prompt a critical expansion in gas charges on the Ethereum organization, which would make decentralized trades an extremely ugly choice for some dealers. Another significant element that could decide the future outcome of Sushiswap is its group and accomplices effectively dealing with the turn of events and advancement of the stage. Such notable organizations as Binance Labs, OK Group, and Bitfish are among them, which gives extra reliability to the undertaking. Temporarily, we accept that the cost of Sushi will be driven by the outcome of the liquidity mining program. If effective, we anticipate that the cost of Sushi should increment as additional clients run to the stage looking for yield. In the long haul, we accept that the cost of Sushi not entirely settled by the progress of Sushiswap in turning into a top-level decentralized trade. If fruitful, we expect huge interest for Sushi from merchants hoping to exploit its low charges and extensive variety of highlights. Sushiswap, Sushi, Price Prediction 2022. Sushiswap, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Sushi. The Sushi cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $1.77. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.65 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Sushi is supposed to have a base worth of $1.42. Sushiswap, Sushi, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Sushiswap Sushi cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Sushi will before long outperform $2.95. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Sushi's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Sushi will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.36 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.60. Sushiswap, Sushi, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $4.13 and Sushi might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Sushi is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.78 and a low of $3.54 in 2024. Sushiswap, Sushi, Price Prediction 2025. Assuming Sushiswap effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the Sushi coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Sushi will be green in 2025. The Sushi